for Golf Mk1 vibes also. This needs to be fully decompressed and the master cylinder needs to be fully extended, so that's the starting position. We'll proceed to tighten these U-bolts. Yeah, the rest was pretty self-explanatory. Okay, just show you. So yeah, that's where we got so far. Is that just comes to the top here. Push through there, and then yeah, like we said before, we tighten this, we just want to make sure that the compression in it is right. We will clip once it's done. We need to change pedals. The other pedal didn't have this hole over here. It's just before this curve over here, there's a hole. The pedal didn't have that. And then on that, we just cut off this piece here. To use that hole, but yeah, that's how she's looking. So one finger there. So here we have it basically done. You can see that spring goes under there. My pedal doesn't have a hole there, but yeah, I'm contemplating drilling it, although I've done a previous setup where that's not necessary. I'm gonna show them how it works. The zip guy is just there for when we're measuring. Can we cut the zip tie off? Yeah. There you go. So yeah, just illustrate how it works for the pickles. Push clutch out.
Very fluid when it's flat, it will shoot back
itself. Whereas now the spring would have done that for us. But as you see, that's clutch out. It's fully out, clutch here. Success. Righto, there we are. This took off. There's like a black rubber that comes there for heat. It was already damaged, so we took that off. We'll take this bracket off here also, we won't be needing that. Give it a clean. I have a heat sleeve to go over this thing, so we should be good. Just wanna put a flat in here, pop this thing out. and you should be able to pull this right off. You can see the ones already coming out there. Just pull it out. I'll get back to you guys. Just wanna give you the twister rule. Twist and it should pop off. It will look something like this when you twist it, and it will just slide off. You can take this off. At least we got this in the bowl in the car already, so we can keep these as spares, I suppose, future builds maybe. So you'll be able to see in there. And there's a stopper there. You just want to twist it so that you get the stopper in there. Easy as that, and it should pop right off. There we go. This is a heat slave I'm gonna be using. Apparently it's very good stuff. There we go. Obviously trim it a bit here, but for now while we're footing should be okay. That's the switch. Oh, she seems to fit well. Just need to make the holes. It's everywhere. Just make holes for the mounts. Okay, so we just put the template over here, push the box up, hold the shifter up to where we want it to sit, some plastic, put this there as it stayed overnight, and now we'll drill these 4 holes and get it mounted. After some struggles, we went with this method. So I put it on top of the car and drill from there. That's the new plane. It's on top of the car, drill from the top, because drilling from under is a bit of a nightmare. Let's see how it goes. Okay, these 2 over the shifter. To drill into this.
Hey, where'd you come from?
Flush. 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 Aishim your ass. Flush. Yes. A little bit sad, but it's for a reason. That reason right there. It's a manual again. Okay, so how to adjust your cables O2J or O2S? Don't adjust it like a so, but yeah, show them on the other one quickly. Luckily these are spares that we just went, for example.
It will be like this.
You wanna twist
clockwise.
I don't think you have the facilities for that, big man.
Lock it down, check, you'll see the whole day, it'll be easier for you. I mean, look. Yeah, do that. Bruh. So you wanna put this in neutral, so it can go up and down like that. And then there's your locking pin over there. Yeah. Turn that up about 90. Should be locked. Ready to be set now. And you wanna come inside the car. As you can see, there's a hole here and a hole at the bottom. You get about a 4mm or 5mm. We're using an Allen key. Use like a drill bit, whatever fits snug. You wanna put it in, align them up too.
What? Bro, what are you talking about, man?
And then yeah, that should lock it in position to be adjusted. And I'm using this one for illustration purposes, these two over here. I'm gonna take it and, like we said, twist it. It pops off, and then these cables, you wanna push them back like this, but the cable part, so that you release all the slack in there on both of them, and then you should be good. And then you just unlock it, and it should be set in place. And then you wanna unlock your locking pin over here. Just push down slightly and turn it back down to unlock it. Right, then you wanna come back to the car over here, inside, remove this pin, and just cycle through your gears. First, second, third, fourth, fifth, fourth, third, second, first, reverse. Success. If you can get, I think they say, yeah, if you can get third and first, second good like this, in business, and reverse also, and it's set well. But yeah, set it till you're happy with your gears. It's a cable shift, it should feel accordingly.
So if your pin doesn't work, if you see it rotates like this one over here, just keeps going around the world. There's another way of doing it. So then, like we showed you before, remove the slack off of your cables, and with your 4mm or 5mm pin and the shifter locked again, what you're going to do is then push all the way down, come a little up, and rotate clockwise. This is either the first or second gear gate, and once it's in that gate, we'll remove the slack off the top cable. Move the slack off the top cable, unlock,
So it's set in place again.
set in place. And before we continue, go down back into neutral,
Which will be there in the middle, as you can see.
remove the slack of the bottom one, unlock, and then it should set, and then you should be good to go.
Go back inside, remove your drill bit, and you should find all gears. First, second, third, fourth, fifth.